Try to go to Siargao with
Siargao?
my family. With my family.
With your family.
I got a wife and 2 kids.
Really?
Yeah.
Kuya.
Kuya.
Thank kuya.
Yeah. Good ako ngayon. Good. Mabait ako ngayon.
Good boy ka?
Yeah, good boy.
Niniwala ba kayong good boy to? Nalukuin mo na naman si Vanessa.
The Philippines.
Hello!
Boracay.
Wow.
Beach Boracay and Batangas. Yeah, that's it, I guess.
Boracay. Yeah, it's a nice place.
Yeah. Lovely place.
Let's go there with Vanessa. Soon.
And I want to go Palawan.
Palawan.
Yeah.
Coron, El Nido.
Yeah, you been there, Palawan?
Once. But not in Coron or El Nido, just in Palawan.
And Siargao.
Siargao, not yet. Maybe after this taping, try to go to Siargao with my
Siargao?
family. With my family.
With your family.
I got a wife and 2 kids.
Really?
Yeah.
Kuya.
Kuya.
Thank kuya.
Yeah. But I'm only 28 years old. Just really married.
You're there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Got it.
That's right.
I got my first kid when I was 22 years old.
Wow.
But I'm happy. And where's Vanessa? Vanessa, here. Yo.
Hello.
It's Vanessa.
Hey, bad person!
No.
You're here! Please do.
Now I'm
Pa
good.
tayo magkasama.
Good ako ngayon. Good. Mabait ako ngayon.
Good boy ka?
Yeah, good boy.
Niniwala ba kayong good boy to? Nalukuin mo na naman si Vanessa. Very professional. Kind.
Tagalog, mabait.
Mabait. Ano ba? Professional.
Professional.
Very, and punctual. On time po siya.
Yes, yun. Maganda. Totoo yun.
Tapos, lagi po siyang handa pagdating sa set.
Totoo.
Tapos, hindi niya po kami binibilan yet ng Korean food. Diba you're gonna buy us Korean food? You're gonna buy us Korean food. You promised, eh?
Whatever she wants. I'm gonna get it.
Oh, really?
What Filipino food would you like Jisoo to try?
Oh, he likes...
Sinigang.
You like adobo, right?
Yeah, adobo.
Adobo.
Adobo, sisig,
Sisig.
lechon.
Lechon.
Yeah, the 3-1.
Parang half Pinoy na nga to eh.
Yes.
Tapos, what's your Tagalog word? If I say bye-bye, what you
Ingat.
say?
Ingat ka.
Ingat.
Ingat ka.
And the food, do you like the food?
Yeah.
What's the food?
Here?
In Tagalog.
The food?
Hindi, yung
Yeah.
Sarap.
Masarap. Kinikilig.
kinikilig.
They're talking about earlier the places that Jisoo want to visit. May suggestion po ba kayo kung saan siya pwede pumunta?
Oh, cancer. Siyempre, Palawan,
Yeah, Palawan, Siargao.
Siargao,
One of
Camarines Sur.
Mga kapuso, ito na, kasama na namin ang inaabangan ninyo.
Opa.
Yes, Opa, isa sa mga Korean actors na talaga namang minamahal ng mga kababayan natin Pinoy. Kaya kasama na namin si Jisoo at abangan nyo ang magiging eksena namin tatlo. Jisoo, how about you?
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Ayan na,
Kamsahamnida!
napakilala na natin siya.